Hello, my dear students, and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel, Educator Prerna. That's me, or as you popularly know me as English Wali Ma'am. So, आज हमारा second session है of the chapter from the diary of Anne Frank. Alright. So, इस chapter में आज हमने discuss करना है about the important characters, and along with that we are also going to understand what are the important values that we learn from this particular chapter. तो जिन बच्चों ने सब्सक्राइब किया हुआ है एजुकेटर प्रेरणा को, उन सब बच्चों को पता है कि कैरेक्टर स्केच की हम जब भी बात करते हैं, whatever character trait we list, we have to quote examples from the chapter. All right. And before we start with the character trait, I want to remind all of you to like, share, and subscribe. Very important. Like, share, and subscribe to Educator Prerna. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं एन फ्रैंक की. So if we talk about Anne Frank, Anne का जो first character trait है वो है that she was a very emotional person. How do we know that? We know that because a 13-year-old talking about not having a real friend in whom she could confide. उसके friends तो बहुत सारे थे, but still she says that I did not have any real friend, and उसको एक loneliness feel होती थी जिस वजह से वो डायरी लिखती थी. All right, so she was a very emotional person. Okay. Then the second character trait of Anne Frank is that she was very intelligent and creative at the same time. Okay. So how do we know that? Considering कि जो मिस्टर कीसिंग थे, उन्होंने जो होमवर्क दिया था मिस्टर कीसिंग ने एन को करने के लिए, that was a very different kind of homework. But using her intelligence, using her creativity, she was able to come out with an essay about Chatterbox in which she gave very convincing arguments. And then the next homework, the last homework that she got, wherein she had to write about quack, 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 she thought of writing a poem. Okay, so that shows that she was very intelligent as well as very creative. And of course, the last character trait of Anne Frank is that she was a chatterbox, or she was very talkative. Alright, इसका example हम सबको पता है that how she was punished by her maths teacher to write essays on. She used to get scoldings from him also, and then she got this punishment wherein she had to write an essay on different topics related to chatterbox. Okay, so this is all about Anne Frank. Talking about Mr. Keesing, there are two main character traits. First, he was very strict, of course, because he would not, allow any child to talk in his class. He would not take any nonsense. But contrary to that, he was also student friendly. He was also friendly towards the students. How do we know that? Because when Anne, this girl, she tried to play a joke on the teacher about the punishment that she was given, the maths teacher, Mr. Keesing, he took it in a right way. So in a way, he was friendly towards the students. So maybe you can say that he was just like a nut, hard from outside, but inside he was very soft hearted. Okay, and इस chapter से हमें values क्या पता चलती हैं? I think the most important value that we get is first to be disciplined in class, right? And second, of course, to listen to our teachers. So that's mainly about this particular chapter. I will see you in the third session of this chapter, जिसमें हम इसके questions solve करेंगे. मैं आपको कुछ extra questions दूंगी और उसी के साथ हम important extracts को